This is Mr. Savaro. Today, we travel to one of the coldest places on Earth. Endless white ice, freezing winds, and in the distance, a group of black and white figures. They are penguins. They cannot fly, but underwater they are incredible swimmers. Walking across ice, standing close together in groups, this is how they survive. During freezing storms, they form tight circles to keep each other warm. When the mother hunts for food, the father protects the egg. In this extreme environment, their life is a story of survival. But as the ice begins to melt, their future becomes uncertain. Did you know these small creatures are this strong? For more wild adventures, subscribe now. This is Mr. Savaro. See you in the next journey. Thank you.